Hi, I'm Marcus. I'm here to help you find your tax forms in your Lyft driver app. Not all drivers receive a tax form. It depends on how much you've earned throughout the year. We usually make tax forms available to drivers by the end of January each year. You will also get an annual summary. It breaks down the number of rides you've given, your gross earnings from rides, non-ride earnings like bonuses, tolls, and mileage information. To check if you have tax forms and an annual summary, you can follow these steps. Tap on Menu, tap Account, select Pay and Tax Info, select Tax Info. If prompted, verify your account. From this page, if you qualify, you can see and download your 1099-K, your 1099 NEC, and your annual summary. If you want to learn more about the Lyft driver app, check out the suggested links at the end of the video.